All right, so today I just had my iPhone 17 Pro Max come in the mail. But when the Pro Max came in the mail, I was watching some YouTube videos on how to set it up. Um, I figured out something on here is how to add your name at the bottom. See where it has DC Mark 202? That's something I didn't know, is that you could add your name to the bottom like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna give you guys a quick review just to show you how to do it. All right, so these are some of the steps on how to do it. Um, First, you want to come down, bring your focus down on come down so you can bring everything into focus, right? From here, you want to hold down on this screen. Once you hold down, at the bottom of it, you'll have this tab that say New Focus. Hit New Focus. Hold on, let me go back. Hit New Focus. This screen will come up. Hit Custom. Once you hit Custom, you want to try to go ahead and hit your name in here. DC DC Mark. That's what I like to use. That's my YouTube channel name. And that's what I have on my phone. I'm going to go with this color, the color red. I like the color red, and it's fire. From here, as you have your name and your emblem in here, go and hit next. I already had DC Mark 202 focus. You will customize your focus. Everything else is in here. If you want to add anything else in here, I usually don't. I don't want to add anything else. So what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and I'm gonna just back out of here, back out. I'm gonna go up here, bring my focus back down. Got nothing on my home screen. I got some little music I got going on in here. Books that I read. I'm gonna go ahead and get back into focus. I'm gonna highlight DC Mark 202. Then I'm gonna go ahead and close my screen. And there you go. My name is now here at the bottom. So all this time I had an iPhone, I never knew that. I never knew that you could do that and you could put your name at the bottom like that. But I have my open box on my iPhone 17 Pro Max that I'm gonna bring to you guys so you can see some of the features that they have on here for the Pro Max. So like, subscribe, and as I try to figure out how to work the Pro Max with all these new iOS updates and everything else.